Hi, and welcome to the course on pricing strategies and analytics. Understanding how pricing impacts revenue and profitability is one of the most important issues faced by managers. In this course, we will explore how one can use analytics to determine the pricing strategy to be used that helps achieve the objectives of the company. Let me give you a brief overview of the course. We start our journey with the 6 steps of setting the pricing policy. Following these steps, you are going to end up with a pricing strategy that will enable you to achieve your organizational goal. Then we learn more about each step. The first and fourth step of these 6 steps are mostly theoretical, but rest of the steps include both theory and practical parts. The theory part will be taught using presentations such as this, and the practical part would be done in Microsoft Excel. These practical lectures are going to be very interesting, and I'm sure it is something you will love about this course. We will also learn how to estimate the demand curve for the product using Excel. We will also learn how to model cost of production. Once we have demand and cost, we can estimate revenue and profit at different price points and using different pricing strategies. In the course, we'll be discussing a lot of pricing strategies such as simple linear pricing, price bundling, giving out quantity discounts, price skimming, applying two-part tariffs, and many more. All these are pricing strategies which companies are actually using. We will see what's the thought and analytics that goes behind the decision of choosing a particular strategy. The practical classes where we create the model for each of these strategies is something which differentiates this course from any other course available online. I am pretty confident that the course will give you the necessary knowledge and skills to immediately see practical benefits in your workplace. So if you are ready, we are happy to have you and see you in the next video.